This is my PW50. It's a 1999, and this was my very first dirt bike that I ever had. I got the dirt bike in, it would have been 2006, and it's a 1999. My dad got it for me when I was 4 years old. And then we sold it a few years later, and then I got my second bike, which was a Honda CRF70. But I just recently bought this bike back from the next owner who we sold it to, and I cleaned the carburetor. I put new injection oil in it. I checked the spark plug. I haven't got a new spark plug for it yet, but I probably will. I got a new air filter for it because the other one was crumbled into pieces. It basically turned to dust in my fingers. I cleaned it up. It had a lot of barn dust on it. I went through it, and yeah, I changed the oil in it. It looked like the oil had honestly never been changed. It was completely black. But I'm gonna attempt to start it up. It hasn't started up in years. And I'm really excited. So I'm never gonna sell this bike. I'm gonna keep it forever. So it will be with me forever. So there's an off run and start. Choke is up here. I don't know if I've actually ever started this bike, but the gas is on and we'll give it a couple kicks. All right. I think it just took a little bit to get the gas from the carb. I put fresh gas in it, so. But it seems to be idling okay. Turn off the choke here. Let it warm up a little bit. Choke it again. Half choke. Do a little walk around here. Runs good. Oh, it's so awesome. It's so small. It doesn't look that small in video, but it looks small when I'm sitting next to it. I like the wheels too. How they don't have spokes, they just have those little three things. So awesome. I love it. One of the things that I think is so cool about this bike is my dad was telling me that when I was little, I ran into our front steps and the wheel is dented right there. I think that's cool. I don't know, the back one has a small dent in it too, right there. I'm not sure if I did that too, but I definitely did the front one. PIMP.